Hi, it's Andy here from Rodrozen Design Build. It's Monday the 7th of March and we're here in English Bay, Vancouver for a significant undertaking we've got going on, a project that's happening behind me here today. This is a jigsaw puzzle of an undertaking today where we're going to be placing several Silestone floor slabs made in Spain and cut here specifically in Vancouver for this project. We're going to be craning in these slabs up onto the balcony area before our flooring installers are going to place them in their correct places. So let's go and check on out and see what happens.